Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to rename, delete, and recover folders in Microsoft Outlook. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account. This will load all your emails and give you access to your folder structure where you can organize your messages. Once your email has loaded, navigate to your inbox pane on the left side of the screen. This is where all your emails and email folders are located, and it's the main area where you'll be working to manage your folder organization. Let's start with renaming a folder. To do this, right-click on any existing folder from your Folders panel on the left side. A context menu will appear with several options for managing that folder. From this context menu, simply click on Rename. You'll immediately be prompted to enter a new name for the selected folder. This feature is really useful when you want to reorganize your email structure or give folders more descriptive names that better reflect their contents. Now let's move on to deleting a folder. Right-click on the folder you want to remove and select Delete Folder from the context menu that appears. The folder will be deleted right away and moved to your deleted items, so don't worry if you accidentally delete something because Outlook keeps it safe for recovery. Here's where the recovery process comes in, which is incredibly handy if you've deleted a folder by mistake. Head to your deleted items folder, which you'll find in your left panel. Click on the right arrow next to it to expand the folder. You'll see all your deleted items here, including the folder you just removed. This is where Outlook temporarily stores everything you delete, giving you a chance to restore it if needed. To restore the deleted folder, simply drag it to your email header. That's the email address name located at the very top of your folders panel. As you drag the folder there, a dialog window will appear asking you to confirm your action. This window is checking whether you want to move this deleted folder back inside your main email account folder structure. Click on Yes to confirm and you'll see the folder added back to its original location, fully recovered with all its contents intact. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to rename folders for better organization, delete folders you no longer need, and recover any folders you might have removed accidentally. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.